Hey everyone, it's Jill Pantozzi, the Nerdy Bird, here with another unboxing, of course, for Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty. And this one came a little bit ago, but it is a big one. Let's flip this around so you can see that. But the actual box itself is pretty big. As always, we've got, I took these off because they're difficult to get off sometimes, but the pin is Lando, which is pretty cool. And the patch is Yoda. Now, I've been waiting for this one. I saw that they were doing it, and I'm just in awe. Okay, this is why the box is so big, by the way. Oh my god. The exclusive Funko is Hoth Han Solo with the Tauntaun. How rad is that? I love it. It's kind of hard. Oh no, wait, there you could see it. It's got a huge base too. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna be putting this one. I love it. I'm sure one day they're gonna do one with Luke inside of the Tauntaun, and we will all be joyful. But until then, this one's pretty great, I gotta say. Oh, okay. Put that down there for now. Oh, socks. I always love socks. Can never have too many. Oh, these are so cute. Take them out so you can see the whole, so it's like, oh, it's got, okay, so it's got Darth Vader and Stormtroopers on there, kind of with the Funko Pop look. Those are cute. I like, you know, simple stuff. Obviously, when you're wearing socks, most people aren't going to be able to see them, but it's nice to have them there as well. And last but definitely not least is this amazing Funko plush. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at him. He's got little claws too. Oh, this is so fantastic. It is the softest plush. Like one of those that you just want to rub on your face all day. This is a really great box, you guys. All right, well, that's it. I'm going to put the information where to find these Smuggler Bounty boxes if you would like to subscribe to them on underneath the video. And, of course, as always, if you would like to support the work I do here and on thenerdybird.com, I have a Patreon for that. I'll also link that as well. Thanks so much for everyone who does support and who is going to support, and I'll see you next time.